You won't believe this.
What?
We just went to the ice cream store.
Yeah, and
The woman said there's gonna be a tornado watch. Oh my god, yes, you were right. Oh my god. I just checked the news and it says a tornado. Did you even get some waters? No, I didn't get some water. Oh my god. Grocery store it is. Who coming with me? Me.
no, with ice cream. I don't want you guys ruining my ice cream in my car. Please, Dad, I wanna go.
Please, Dad. Please. Please.
No.
I said no.
Honey, let them go if they have a good grade. Fine. You guys are coming.
Yes!
Oh, I forgot to drink my smoothie. Hurry up. When you guys leave, I'm gonna drink my smoothie.
No, my ice cream! No!
Well, that's good. Now, who's gonna clean up? You guys. Let's go. At least I got my drink. Gonna put this to trash. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, guys, let's go. I don't have time, so let's go. In the back. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Hey. Alright, water. Water. Need some water. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna act like this is water, so let's say this is water. Okay, we got some water.
What it is?
Oh, a sandwich. Yes, a sandwich. And pizza. We already have one. An egg. Sweetie. And a popsicle. Ooh, such it up. No. You eat ice cream. Doesn't mean you have to eat another one. You just ate one. Sorry, can I put this away? Of course. Huh. Alright, or sausages, even though we don't have one. And milk. And orange juice. And some Sprite. And some chickens. And cheese also. And that's it. We're done. Okay. Please hurry up. Okay, I'm fine. Is everything okay, sir? Well, yes, and that's how we're prepared for a tornado. You know, the weather. Oh yeah, it is supposed to be a tornado. Don't worry. Oh wow. Oh, sir, this is not gonna fit. Oh wow. So this is very heavy. I don't think it will hold this that much. Oh dear. Yeah, whatever. Okay, now we can have it. Oh, we need a lot of that, but never mind. Okay. Oh, let's go. Okay, now come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, it's about to get cloudy any seconds. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. One more time. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Daddy, wait for us. Daddy, you're so fast. I know, I know. What are you making? Some cake. Some cake? Yeah? What cake? I don't know. Whatever. I brought you some sausages and stuff. Oh, thanks. And it's a popsicle. Pizza. Sandwiches. And also cheese. Okay, that's good. And Sprite. And that's it. Thank you. You're welcome. Anyways, I have a lot of things to do. Oh my god. Guys, go get some foods or get prepared. Get something for the baby because I am changing. Let's go. Oh yeah, he was sleeping, so we have to. Okay, buddy. You wanna get those? No. No? Okay. Oh, actually, let's give you this. Yeah, look how cute you are now. Okay, so bring some things or something, cause yeah, I should never did that. I should never take the things away. Hold on. Should I bring it back? No, I can't. Dang it. Oh well, I guess I'm gonna use it to play. But is everyone ready though? Yeah, ready. Ready, super duper ready. Okay, get some toys or something. Okay, all I have to get is my umbrella. Not umbrella. Gonna wear this. And oh, yes. Guys, I'm gonna stay in the bathroom, okay? Okay. Woof, woof, woof. I'm gonna wear this. No, actually, I like this one. Let's see. Oh, also my Barbie dolls. I don't want my Barbie dolls to be gone. Aw. Oh well. Hello. I'm going to the bathtub. Whee. Oh, no, 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 no. No way. That's not happening. Boo, poo. You know what? That's not time. I love my chair too. My chair is so cute. It can move. It can do everything. Are you serious? Okay, not also my unicorns. I love my dresses and my backpack too. To always go there to learn. Oh well. And I miss my bed too. My bed is so cool. I love my bed. I'm not never leaving it like this. But I have to leave it like this. Is everything okay, sweetie? Yes. Anyway, I'm just gonna go and change. What? Oh, I didn't second away this one to your sister. Where? Aw, I look so cute. Okay. We have to go there to get some toys, okay? Okay. Oh yes, this fresh and this dress if it's cold. And also this and this. Alright, let's go to the bath. You can't even know it's really, really cloudy. Yeah. Yeah. We have a candle, so in case if it's there's a blackout or something, if the power went out, and then or something, then we're gonna use, okay? I got everything. Same. I got him some cute bunny, booba, and yeah. We're gonna stay in the shower over here. Okay. So we're gonna be okay. Okay. Oh yeah, and let me also bring some foods. Let me make them some. Let me make them some chicken, because I know they love chicken. Let them get them some pizza. Put them to the microwave. Okay. Thing is ready. Okay. Okay, I have a lot of foods, but I need help. Sweetie! Yes, I need help. Okay, if you say so. Yeah, so the pizza is ready. There is another plate. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's go.
Kids, we brought some foods in case you feel hungry.